All right, traders, we're back. I think I solved my streaming issue. So I switched my stuff over to the new channel on YouTube, and I didn't have ultra low latency set up. So now I do. All right, there we go. Nice. All right, we're back. We're back, and we're watching the SPY sell off. All right, I'm gonna keep it that way. All right, guys, welcome back to the stream. Jeez, hang on a second here. Let me. Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of issues with our music. It sounds like. All right, we'll just kill it. Screw it. I'll just kill it. The music. And we're back. We're watching the sell-off occur, and yeah, something's going on in the market here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on my tablet just to make sure that the stream stays clean. All right, here's SPY trying to make a comeback here. All right, guys, we're back. We're back live. We fixed our stream. We should be good to go now. I didn't have the ultra low latency set up, so that interfered with that. So, but I think we're good now. We'll see if AMD can hit that 175 level. A little bit of a sell off. Now we have SPY below the 5-day EMA line. We're gonna watch that and see how that works out. But it's starting to make a little bit of a pushback too. All right, keep that in the background. All right, well, let's see what the market has in store for us. All right. I just continue to watch the market here, guys. Happy Friday. We have a poll going on. Please participate in our poll. Let's see how your week went. And yeah, that's it. Wonder if we're gonna sell off harder into the day, right? I mean, we're real far off the money on SPY, but we can definitely still pick up some money on AMD and on Boeing. Yeah, I don't know. All right.
Good luck, traders. Good luck, traders.
All right. Good action here happening. It's 7:34 on the West Coast. Hope you guys are having a great Friday. Trading smart, trading safe. We're continuing to watch the market here on a Friday. Like, there's definitely room to the downside, I see. So I think everybody who Okay, happy to see my dad's back in town. Thank you, God. Oh, okay. I think we got a TDD, man. Warner Brothers. Warner Brother. Lyft selling off too. Probably because they did that offering. It's like a $400 million offering that it did. Yeah, Apple's had a little bit of a dump too, man. Definitely some bearish sentiment in the market as of this morning. So trade carefully, guys. All right, so looks like Boeing is starting to, retested this 200-day line here. It's what we call the put wall or the wall. So it actually got rejected there. So we'll see if we can get more momentum to the downside here. And you're watching SPY kind of continue to follow the downward resistance line here too. All right, SPY, a little bit of cheek leather on SPY. 7:36 on the West Coast. Hope you guys are trading good today, making some money. We're up $15 today. All right, traders, where you guys at? How's your day going so far? Well, AMD is not gonna. You could recover some money on there, but that premium. I like that Tesla move there. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a pump on SPY. Apple's coming back. Lyft still selling off a bit. Nvidia giving it up a little bit at the top there. ARK's resuming its climb. Peloton is just not doing much. Peloton's kind of not doing much. Yeah, what's gonna happen here with all this action, right? It's just a little bit kind of, directionless, right? But see Boeing making that attempt to reclaim that $200 price level. Yeah, it's a real chance that AMD might catch those puts. Oh, there's BA. There's Boeing at that 200 level. Yeah, I'm really curious about AMD here. People jumping out of those stocks. So looks like stock chips are starting to sell off a bit here. Yeah, starting to see some downward pressure on chips today. My dog making noises. I don't know what the hell he's doing over there. Yeah, I've seen a little sell-off here on AMD, 176.75. Sitting on puts there from yesterday. Just a gamble. It might pay off. I wouldn't be surprised if you see a major sell-off on chips today. It's happening. Yeah, starting to see a little bit of a pullback here on SPY. All right, watching SPY here roll over, starting to get some momentum to the downside. All right, I made a play. Not a recommendation. You will lose money. We're taking 508 puts here for SPY. We're below the 5-day EMA line. Check. We got some downward momentum check, so we're gonna see if we can catch that 508 on the put side. We are approaching previous day high here, so we might have a level at this area here. So we'll just keep an eye on it and see how it plays out. We'll see if we get there. We're about $1 away. All right, staying patient. See if we can catch a flush to the downside on SPY. I'm gonna look around. Yeah, Apple selling off. Nvidia got a little bit of a bounce. I think it bounced at that 21 EMA line. Boeing's reclaimed that $200 level. I'm going to try to stay patient here in these positions. Yeah, so Boeing's back above that $200 level. We're going to keep an eye on that. And we're going to see how SPY reacts to this to this previous day high level too. See what it does at that level. We're just watching right now, just staying patient. All right, I think that's good. Watch that happen. So Boeing's at that $200 level. So our puts are in jeopardy there. And AMD's got a little bit of a, it's kind of resumed. You know, it's kind of found a little bit of support at this level here. There's a gap to be filled here. That's interesting. I didn't see that. Yeah, there's a little gap here. Oh, interesting. What's 172? Yeah, that's a long way down. Yeah, but I just see it just found a gap there. That's interesting. I hadn't seen that gap there. We'll see if we get to that gap. See if that gap gets filled. How the candle reacts at this previous day high is going to be key here. If we can breach this support level or previous day high, we should be find a little bit more momentum to the downside. All right, we're below 200 on Boeing. Bye, baby. All right, traders, continue to watch our positions here. So SPY, hopefully it sells off hard. Tesla, we're in calls. AMD, we're in puts. And Boeing, we're in puts. Just as we're seeing the SPY kind of test this 21-day EMA line and the previous day high, we're seeing Tesla with a little bit of a green shoot there. Oh, Peloton, nice. Any news on Peloton? No. ARK's resuming his upward trend there. Nvidia's kind of making a little bit of a comeback as well. So we're feeling bearish, but now it looks like things are starting to settle down a little bit more. Yeah, I'm not gonna be in my trading desk all day either, so gotta try to make some plays here before I head out in an hour. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's testing that 21-day EMA. I mean the 9-day EMA line. And then the dollar is up a little bit. 10-year bonds, it's down a little bit, 4.29%. Let's go. Keep that energy high, traders.
Good luck, traders.
Yeah, decision time here for SPY, huh? Strong push on Boeing. Gonna hit that 5-day EMA line, see how it reacts to that level. Yo. Okay, so we're watching Boeing, $200.28. See what is how it's gonna react to that 5-day EMA line if it gets rejected there. So we want to see. Yeah, nice push on Boeing, man. There's a little bit of of a red shoot on SPY. And then Tesla looks pinned, like it just not doing anything. But we're seeing the resume of the fall on SPY, which is good for us. All right, 508.62 on the SPY. Getting some downward pressure there. Happy Friday, traders. Hope you guys are in the money. Hope you guys made some money this week. What are your plans for the weekend? That's the real question. All right, there we go. So we're trying to get a little bit of a flush on AMD and SPY here. Let's go. Yeah. All right, trader, let's go, baby. Let's get below this. Let's get below previous day high. Might see a flush here. But Boeing looks strong. Yeah, Nvidia starting to sell off, dragging down some chips with it. Apple had a little bit of a bounce. Amazon pulled back.
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in.
Continuing to watch here our positions. Staying patient. Feels like we got some downward momentum. I like what I'm seeing on Tesla, but it's really just pinned for the most part. Boeing trying to stay above that 200-day move, the $200 price level. And then SPY bounced right off the previous day high on that green bar there. Yeah, we feel like we're getting a little bit of a flush here, at least on the tech side or on the SPY side. Yeah, Boeing trying to get a 201. Jeez. We thought that was going to be our big winner today. All right, got our next scan there. 8 o'clock on the West Coast, guys. 8 a.m. on the West Coast. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday so far. This is the Spread live trading show, Monday, Wednesday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific time. You can follow us on Instagram at Shimano Trader. Even Tesla's getting a little bit of a red shoot there. Yeah, Tesla's starting to go red a little bit. I mean, it's been red, but you know, from this pop that it had. And then SPY's really testing that previous day high level at 508.51. Starting to bounce a little bit there too. I think if we can get below this level, our next target will be the pre-market low here at the red bar. There it is. Here we go. All right, those SPY contracts are up 13 bucks. Is it going to hold this level? We got AMD all the way down to 176.15. It's about $1 away from being in the money. All right, we breached that level. We breached that level of support there. Previous day high yesterday on SPY. Lower lows. Same thing on AMD. We're about to hit 176 on that. All right, 508.36, 508.35 on the SPY level. Starting to approach our target there of 508. I think Nvidia starting to sell off and it's bringing down the market. Nvidia is now at the 21-day EMA line. See if it holds support there. Starting to get some downward momentum though. Pre-market low is our target. See if we can get down there. I think Nvidia is dragging down the market. There we go. About to be in the money on SPY. Going to be 100% on that trade. All right, we're flushing on SPY now. All right, SPY is really flushing now. Starting to get some momentum to the downside here. We're going to see how we approach the pre-market low. Yeah, Nvidia is losing the 21-day support. Now we're seeing Boeing bounce that $200 level. I'm gonna watch NVDA here. NVDA has lost 21-day EMA line support. Might have some more downside here. It's like SMCI from the last week. All right, we're in the money now with AMD. Nice. Got some good jams now. It's catching this flush on the way down. Let's go. All right, we're flushing AMD, NVIDIA. All right, traders, let's go. We're printing. All right, NVIDIA's back at that 21 EMA. Lyft looks like it's going to sell off. Apple's giving a little bit of back. Continuing to the downside here. Tesla's starting to sell off too. All right, Boeing's back at that $200 price level. Trying to get below it and stay below it. All right, guys, 8 o'clock on the West Coast. Hope you're having a wonderful trading day. See where AMD's at. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback across all indices. All right, I'll record the last minute of the show here. All right, we had a little bit of a bounce here, but we're resuming to the downside. See if we catch another flush on SPY. We can get below this pre-market low. All right, NVIDIA testing that 21-day EMA line again. So NVIDIA's was causing us to flush. Like Boeing's bouncing off that $200 level. Found a little bit of support at this level here on all positions. All right, Nvidia's back at that 21 EMA support. Like we're zooming down to the downside again. Yeah, it's breaching that level here on Nvidia. We might get more downside, guys. Boeing's found some life. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. Yeah, Nvidia's bouncing at that 21 EMA. If we lose that EMA support line, I think we can get more downside. And I think Boeing's trying to shake out the shorts. And we're hanging on these levels. Yeah, EMA line's holding on Nvidia. Probably already scared like last week with SMCI. Just sold off all day. All right, starting to head lower again. Nvidia's losing that 21 EMA line. 780.05 is where we're at on Nvidia. Might get another dump here. And we have a runner left, so we're gonna let that thing run. Yeah, we might hit 507, guys. That'll be the bottom of the range here. 506.28 would be the bottom of the range for the week. All right, it's time to get more momentum to the downside here. Yeah, 779.10 on Nvidia. We're losing support there. Starting to flush here. We're approaching the pre-market low level. All right, starting to really flush hard now, guys. We're approaching pre-market low here. See if we can breach this level. Nvidia 778.42, starting to really get some momentum to the downside. All right, I'm taking my profits on SPY here. Nice. We're just gonna let our runner run on SPY, see if it'll flush all the way down there. I doubt it. And then we're gonna keep an AMD here. We'll probably pick up some money on AMD here. I'm sorry, on AMD. I wonder if SPY's going to continue lower here. It is. Good beats today. All right. NVIDIA continues to fall, so we're going to hang on to our AMD and just hang on to that, see what happens. And then Boeing is done at 201.16. It's done a complete reverse on us. NVIDIA's a little bit hanging at that 21-day EMA line. We'll take our AMD here. All right, we're all out. We're all out of our positions here. Gotta trade smart traders. As much as we want to hang on to these things, I mean, we are up $200 almost, so. And we still have a runner left, so we'll see how that plays out. All right, we took our profits there on AMD and on SPY. Good move there. Those paid us. And this was the pre-market low, so that paid us. And we have 502 puts as well, but that's way down there. I doubt we'll even get down there. And I think Boeing's just gonna shake people out here. It's gonna shake them out and it's gonna sell off hard at the end. I'll be back, guys. All right, traders, we back. Yeah, look at that. That was the level. So that pre-market low was the level for at least to exit our put positions there on SPY. But it could also just be a level of, you know, just a bounce level, and it's just going to continue to resume lower, or it's going to climb here. So Let's see if Boeing continues higher or if it's gonna roll over. I watched the EMA. Nvidia found support at that 21-day EMA line. I like how we traded that. We're watching Nvidia sell off and watching the sentiment of other stocks do the same. So that was pretty cool. Lyft looks like it's done selling off. I'm catching a little bit of a bounce here, but we're still below the EMA line, so we gotta watch it. All right, nice recovery there on SPY. Nice bounce. Yeah, but Tesla just pretty flat. You know, not a lot of action. There's definitely not going to make it to the top there. 205 calls. But that's how you see the SPY, how it's bouncing off this pre-market low, right? I mean, it's giving you the impression that that's kind of the bottom. But I suspect that we'll come back up to the EMA line and continue to push lower. I think we're going to sell off into the day. That's what I think, just based on all the action this week. And it's just an observation. Let's see what Boeing wants to do here. It's $1.37 away from the money. Pick up a little bit more, a couple more bucks there. Man, Warner Brothers terrible, man. I was so happy we didn't buy any shares of that stock. Nvidia starting to find a little bit of a green candle here. I think by watching Nvidia, you can watch these other stocks trade. Interesting. 177.50. $48 for 177.50 on you just don't know if it's gonna resume higher. Oh, it's a nice level here. Nice level for Nvidia here. It's a nice level on Nvidia. Oh, I got failed. All right, so we're 177.50 AMD calls. See if we can make that happen. All right, so we switched sides on AMD right now. We're gonna take calls 177.50. We'll see if we make a little bit of lunch money on that. And we're basing that off the AMD move. So watching Nvidia make a little bit of a pull, a little bit of a push back up, and that's why we're taking this trade. Should almost have Nvidia here. So we're basing our trade based on the sentiment for Nvidia here. We see Nvidia can get above this EMA line here, and we can get some money on AMD. A little bit of money on it, not a lot. So also like this level here on Nvidia. So Nvidia came sold off right to this level here. So this is some good support area, I think, for Nvidia. There we go. Let me see if it reclaims that level. It can help it really help our positions out. There it is. $791.26. Now it's pushing up the semis. Yeah, we're up 13 bucks in that trade now, with Nvidia showing more strength here. So we're just following Nvidia. Looking good. Looking good. If Nvidia can reclaim this 5-day EMA line, that's going to be pretty good. And watching SPY 2, right? SPY Gate. Look at that bounce right off that line. Good thing we took profits when we did. These beats are jamming too. All right. See if we see a little green on Nvidia here. So we're watching Nvidia here. We're watching these three together. Let's go. All right, man. These beats are hard. I love that. All right, good stuff here on Nvidia. Starting to push up the market again. That little sell-off on Nvidia dragged down the market. Pretty incredible. Look at a SPY. Real powerful candle there. All right, I'm going to take my 12 bucks here and call it a day on that. Just a little bit of money on there. Nothing big. Just we still got some money to trade today, but just didn't want to hang out there too long. I'm starting to build a bias that really don't want to be in trades. I mean, swing trades are a different story, but if we're scalping the market, we really don't want to be in trades for longer than just a few minutes. Trying to hang on to stocks at 0 DTE and either take your loss and leave, or it's very challenging to think that you're going to be able to hang on to that stock, man. And 0 DTE, it just moves so much. You notice how SPY opened up a second candle, but it did not reclaim the EMA line here. So that's important to note. All right, 8:30 on the West Coast, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I am Shimano Trader. This is The Spread. We trade live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific time. Please subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Instagram at Shimano Trader. And subscribe to the show. Thanks for your support today.
Good luck, traders.
There's Boeing. There's Boeing back. So we're short Boeing, and it's just trying to. I think it's just trying to shake out all the shorts. I think we dump at the end of the day. Look, good thing we got out of our AMD. Just kind of pinned there. Yeah, so AMD. Good job today on AMD. Like we're resuming the downside here. All right, we're back in puts for AMD. So we've been kind of scalping AMD today. So we want to take 175 puts on AMD right now. And this is a put now. All right, so we're going to continue to watch the AMD put here. We already made money. We were in put since yesterday, so it came down there to that level, touched it. We're also watching. Oh, are you serious? Is that what you're seeing on my stream here? Oh, okay. That's so. Did you go to the YouTube channel and try to watch something? Is that what you did, Taquito? Or you're out here on Tradecaster, you can't see it. Ah, that's probably right. Yeah, because I switched over to my my other stream. Hey, thanks to Keto, man. I've been asking for feedback all morning, man. You just came on board and gave me that feedback. I appreciate you very, very much, man. I'll go ahead and make that adjustment there. But I appreciate you, Taquito. Thank you so much, man. You're such a cool dude, man. Such a cool dude, man. Good morning to you. Or is it morning where you at right now? I always get that wrong. It's probably nighttime, right? It's probably nighttime where you're at. All right. Well, happy Friday to you, man. Thank you so much, Taquito. I'm going to go back and fix my settings there. I appreciate you very, very much. I wouldn't have known unless you shared that with me. So appreciate you very much. Make sure we're good to go for Monday's stream. All right, so obviously my settings weren't set up there. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Oh, this trade's going against us now with AMD. Watching AMD reverse here at this level. See what happens. You know, I had taken calls to begin with. Where's AMD? Where's Nvidia's bounce? Damn, right off that level too, man. All right, see what happens here. So if we're gonna resume to the upside, we're gonna continue to fall. Are we bouncing here, or we're just gonna roll over? We'll see. All right, we're gonna end the stream here.